Principles of RESTful API design. RESTful API design is based on a set of principles and constraints that aim to create efficient, scalable, and maintainable web services. Here are the key principles. 1. Statelessness. Statelessness means that each request from a client to the server must contain all the information needed to understand and process the request. The server does not store any client context between requests. Example: Request 1. Get/orders/12345 http/1.1. Host API example.com. Authorization bearer token. Request 2. Post/orders http/1.1. Host API example.com. Authorization bearer token. Content type application/JSON. Item laptop. Quantity 1. In both requests, the server processes them independently without needing to remember any prior request information. 2. Resources. In REST, everything is considered a resource, which can be any kind of object, data, or service that can be accessed via a URI, Uniform Resource Identifier. Example: /users could represent the collection of all users. /users/123 could represent a specific user with ID 123. /orders could represent the collection of all orders. /orders/456 could represent a specific order with ID 456. Resources are typically represented in JSON or XML format, though JSON is more commonly used due to its simplicity and ease of use. 3. HTTP methods. RESTful APIs use standard HTTP methods to perform operations on resources. The most commonly used methods are GET, retrieve a resource; POST, create a new resource; PUT, update an existing resource; delete, delete a resource. Example: Get/users/123, retrieve the user with ID 123. Get/users/123 http/1.1. Host API example.com. Post/users, create a new user. Post/users http/1.1. Host API example.com. Content type application/JSON. Name John Doe. Email johndoe@example.com. Put/users/123, update the user with ID 123. Put/users/123 http/1.1. Host API example.com. Content type application/JSON. Name John Doe. Email johndoe@example.com. Delete/users/123, delete the user with ID 123. Delete/users/123 http/1.1. Host API example.com. Additional concepts in RESTful design. 4. Uniform interface. A uniform interface simplifies and decouples the architecture, which means that the same interface can be used to interact with the various resources. This includes using standard conventions for URLs, HTTP methods, status codes, and media types. 5. Client-server architecture. The client-server architecture separates the user interface concerns from the data storage concerns. This improves the portability of the user interface across multiple platforms and improves scalability by simplifying the server components. 6. Cacheability. Responses from the server should be defined as cacheable or non-cacheable to improve performance by reducing the number of client-server interactions. HTTP caching mechanisms such as eTag and cache control headers can be used to achieve this. 7. Layered system. A layered system architecture allows an API to be composed of hierarchical layers. Each layer has its specific function, which can contribute to a more modular and organized architecture. 8. Code on demand, optional. Servers can temporarily extend or customize the functionality of a client by transferring executable code. Examples include JavaScript or applets. Example of a RESTful API design. Let's consider an API for a simple e-commerce platform. Resource URLs. /products, collection of products. /products/ID, a specific product. /orders, collection of orders. /orders/ID, a specific order. HTTP methods. Get/products, retrieve a list of products. Get/products/ID, retrieve a specific product. Post/orders, create a new order. Get/orders/ID, retrieve a specific order. Put/orders/ID, update a specific order. Delete/orders/ID, delete a specific order. Example requests. Retrieve all products. Get/products http:/1.1. Host api.ecommerce.com. Retrieve a specific product. Get/products/101 http:/1.1. Host api.ecommerce.com. Create a new order. Post/orders http:/1.1. Host api.ecommerce.com. Content type applications/JSON. Product_ID 101. Quantity 2. Shipping_address 123 Main Street, Springfield, Illinois. Update an existing order. Put/orders/202 http:/1.1. Host api.ecommerce.com. Content type applications/JSON. Quantity 3. Shipping_address 456 Elm Street, Springfield, Illinois. Delete an order. Delete/orders/202 http:/1.1. Host api.ecommerce.com. By adhering to the principles of RESTful API design, developers can create APIs that are scalable, efficient, and easy to maintain. Statelessness ensures that each request is independent, making the system more robust and scalable. Treating everything as a resource, accessible via a uniform interface, simplifies the interaction model and enhances flexibility. Utilizing standard HTTP methods for CRUD operations provides a clear and predictable behavior for API consumers. By following these principles, APIs can deliver a consistent and reliable experience, promoting ease of use and integration, which ultimately contributes to the overall success and adoption of the service.